Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to add games to favorites on Slotomania. Slotomania is one of the most popular online slot games, offering hundreds of exciting slot machines. If you have a few favorite games that you love to play regularly, then you can easily add them to your favorites for quick access. Launch open your Slotomania game on your device, and once you're inside the homepage logged in, go ahead and find some of your games that you'd like to add to favorite from the menu. Once you find the slot game you want to add to your favorite, press and hold it. Now, click on Add on the right corner, and the game will be added in your favorite list. Repeat this step for every other game you'd like to add to your favorite list. And once you do that, you'll be able to add the game to favorite list. If you want to access your favorite games, from the main menu, go to the top right corner and tap on the 3 horizontal menu button. From the pop-up, select Favorites. And all of the games that you've added to your favorite list will be displayed on this page. You can go ahead and keep adding more from the menu. So that's how you easily add games to your favorite on Slotomania. You can enjoy a faster, more convenient gaming experience now. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.